Hi, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you all to Delicious Food Fusion YouTube channel. In this video, I will show how to make the most tasty and delicious recipe using the cowpeas. You can use any cowpea, the black-eyed cowpea or the red cowpeas, anything. In this recipe, I will show you how to make the cowpea gravy or the cowpea curry. Now this will make a wonderful delicious combination along with the basmati rice. Now let's see how to make this recipe, and now make the list of the ingredients which are being displayed on the screen.
These are all the ingredients which we required for today's recipe. I've taken 4 mushrooms and sliced it thinly. I've used 1 carrot and I've cut it into cube shape. I've used 1 potato and I've cut it. I've taken 15 to 20 beans and I've cut it very small. The shape of the bean should be like this. See, I've cut very small, tiny. I'm using this cowpea. This is a pulse which I've grown in my house garden. You can even use the cowpea which you get in the shop, or that is the dried cowpea. But now I'm using the freshly grown cowpea in my house garden. These are all the spices which you require in today's recipe. I'm using the garam masala, coriander powder and the chili powder. I'm using all 1 tablespoon of chili, coriander and the garam masala powders, and I'm using 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. You can use the ready-made ginger garlic paste or use the paste which you grind it at home. Here I'm using this paste. I've taken 2 tomatoes and I've taken 2 to 3 tablespoons of chili powder, red chili powder, and I've grind it in the mixer. And I'm going to use this paste in today's recipe.
Now to prepare this dish, firstly you need to on the stove and keep a cooker. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Allow the oil to heat for a few seconds. Now once it's heated, now I'm adding the cowpeas which I've grown in my house garden. Now add all the vegetables which you have already chopped. I've added the potatoes, adding the carrots. Mix. It's time for us to add our finely chopped green beans. Mix all the vegetables once you add one by one. Now finally I'm adding the thinly chopped mushrooms. Add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Add 1 tablespoon of garam masala. Add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. I'm adding the ready-made ginger garlic paste. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste is more than enough. Mix all the powders and the vegetables well and allow it to cook for some 2 to 3 minutes. Now I'm adding salt according to your taste. I hope you all can see the vapors coming out. Now add the finely grinded tomato paste which I've already done. That paste contains the 2 tomatoes and the 3 to 4 spoons of red chili powder. I've grinded it using a mixer, and now I'm adding it and mixing it well. You need to add the paste in order to get that gravy texture. Pour water as much as you require. If you want a gravy kind of thing, then you have to add little water. If you want to have curry, then you can add more quantity of water. Now I'm adding little bit of water because I'm doing it like a gravy.
Now keep it in the high flame. You can either keep it in the high flame or you can even use the medium flame.
Now close the lid of the cooker, put the weight on it and allow it to cook for 3 to 4 whistles. Now keep it aside and take a vessel, put water and add the cinnamon, 2 pepper, clove, the bay leaf, cardamom. Now we're going to make the rice, the basmati rice, and therefore you need to add all these spices which are there. Adding these spices gives us the beautiful flavor. The aroma of the basmati rice will be very wonderful, and it will come just like the restaurant style dish. Now add the star anise. The star anise is very important to give that flavoring aroma. Add 1 tablespoon of oil into it. We need to add the oil because the basmati rices should not get stuck. I'm adding the soaked basmati rice. I've already washed the basmati rice, soaked it in the water for some 10 minutes, and now I'm adding it. Add 1 tablespoon of salt because basmati rice needs more salt. Therefore you need to add 1 salt now and then stir it well, and then just allow the rice to cook in that vessel for some 15 to 20 minutes. Once it's cooked, you can get to know the texture of the rice. Now close the lid of this vessel and allow it to cook. After it's cooked, you drain out all the water which is here and remove out all that spices which is there. As soon as you drain out the water, close the lid and just rest it for some 5 minutes so that the heat will make the rice texture still more good.
Wow, now our recipe is ready. Now serve it with a bit of rice. It's looking so delicious. Look at the texture of the rice. It's so wonderful. Look how beautiful it is looking. It's time for us to taste. And let's try it with the family and let everyone know how it tasted.
I hope you guys enjoyed today's cowpea gravy, cowpea curry recipe. Please try this at home and let me know how it came in the comment section. Please let me know how you feel about my channel, and therefore please comment and tell me what all recipes you want to see in my channel in the future. If you liked today's recipe, please hit on the like button. I request everyone to please subscribe to my channel. You can just see the delicious food fusion icon over there. Click on that, visit my channel, subscribe to my channel, hit on the bell icon for getting the regular updates. Please do follow my channel, and I need all your support to grow. I'll bring more exciting, delicious, fast, healthy food recipes for you guys only if you support. So I kindly request everyone to please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Let's meet the next time. Bye. Stay tuned for getting the regular updates. Follow Delicious Food Fusion.